In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a multi-column blog layout in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then sign into your Weebly account. Click Website, select Edit Site and open the website where you want to display your blog in multiple columns. Once you're in the editor, click Apps from the top menu to open the Weebly App Center. Use the search bar to search for a multi-column blog app or a similar blog layout app. When you find the app, open it and click Add. Then choose Connect if prompted to install it on your website. Keep in mind that some apps may require a paid subscription. Return to the Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. Scroll down to the Installed Apps section in the left panel, then drag the multi-column blog app onto the page where you want your blog to appear. Click the app to open its settings. From there, choose the number of columns you want, such as 2 or 3 columns, and customize options like the card style, spacing, colors, and other layout settings to match your website's design. When you are happy with the layout, save your changes and publish your website. Your blog posts will now be displayed in a clean, multi-column format that makes your content easier to browse. That's how to create a multi-column blog layout in Weebly. Thanks for watching.